Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for Friday the 8th of April. Now on the FTSE we said it was range bound but it was showing more strength than the DAX. We said aggressive support was at 75.80 to 75.88 and if the FTSE could hold that as support and get a sustained break above 76.14 to 76.21 then we could see the next leg higher towards resistance at 76.79 to 76.87. However, we did need to be aware of resistance at 76.30 to 76.37. We said if we had held 76.14 to 76.21 as resistance and saw acceptance below 75.80 to 88, we could then see price move back to the bottom of the range at 75.32 to 75.39, which was support. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE from Friday. Okay, so as you can see, we opened up here and we got this push up through that 76.14 to 76.21 resistance. So we said that if we got this sustained break above there, then we could see the next leg higher towards 76.79 to 76.87. So we've got this push up here. There's a few continuation patterns in this, although not quite pulling back to the moving averages, which is what would be ideal, the 20 moving average. However, a couple of opportunities there to get long. We then did see the pullback to the support zone, what the resistance, which would now be turned support, 76.14 to 76.21, and we've got some. You can see we've got this liquidity grab here, just moving below the zone and then pushing higher again, and then we got another push down into the zone and a really nice strong push away from the zone there, just into the US session. That then created this push up, and we've got some nice continuation patterns in here as well. And we've got up to this 76.70 zone here. So we had a zone at 76.62 to 76.72. Going into the close, if you was long going into the close into the weekend, I definitely would have been booking profits there. We didn't quite make it to that 76.79 to 76.87 target. However, we got very, very close, just reaching that zone of minor resistance just below, which we did put on the report. So if you was long going into that zone going into the close, I would have suggested maybe closing out your position there. So the FTSE acted really well from that 76.14 to 76.21 zone. That was key, and that proved to be the case. Now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we spoke about sustained breaks below 14.4030 to 14.050, but we also spoke about acceptance above 14.230 to 250, which could then see moves back to the top of the range at 14.315 to 345. And it was that area that the DAX needs to clear to see moves to resistance zones above. But so we did say that the DAX was a little bit weaker than the FTSE at the moment as well. So let's go and have a look at the DAX from Friday. Okay, so as you can see, we did get some acceptance above that 14.230 to 250 zone, and that then did see the move up to 14.315 to 345 resistance. But you can see that held as resistance here. There is a couple of opportunities to get short before we then pulled back down into this zone here. That rejected that zone. Nice, strong, impulsive push down. Notice the move up into that zone was very choppy. Nothing really in ways of being able to clear high probability trade setups there to get long into that zone. But you can see there we got the rejection, and really nice strong rejection, and that was the high of the day. We did briefly hold this 230 to 250 as support, so it was resistance then turned support. A couple of nice rejections, one there and one there as well. And then we got another strong impulsive push down. Notice how we're holding that 8 moving average. That's just a nice strong impulsive move back down below that zone as well. Although this then turned out to be a false break as we got the counter move in the coming into the close. So a little bit choppy around that 230 to 250 zone in the afternoon session. It did work well in the morning session, and that 315 to 345 did prove to be the key resistance. So the DAX couldn't break above there to get to those higher resistance zones. So that zone will continue to be key going into next week. We'll see where we open up over the weekend, over the Asian session, and we'll update you on our reports in the morning. But I hope you're having a great weekend. As always, please let me know what you think of these reports. Comment on our YouTube channels. If you haven't already, please sign up to the Keyzone service. Come join the Keyzone Traders Discord channels. Join the Keyzone Traders community where you can discuss these reports, discuss trade setups with other traders, and also just be part of a great community. You'll also get these reports pre-market before the market even opens, so you're fully prepared for what is going on in that session that day. So please, come join the Keyzone Traders community via the Keyzone service. It's completely free, and hopefully you can get some great added value to your trading. hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll speak to you again next week. Cheers.